Hey, alright boys and girls, today for our math lesson we are going to practice triple digit subtraction with regrouping. We have done this before, so this will just be a review. So we're going to start with problem number 1. We have 530 minus 166. Okay, so what we'll do is first off, we'll draw our place value chart. Oh yes, I forgot. Make sure you have out your whiteboards and your markers and erasers. Pause the video, and when you have that all ready, we'll push play to resume. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this problem together. So we have our place value chart where we have hundreds, tens, and ones. So what is the first number we're going to put on our 100 chart? Yes, 530. So I need 5 hundreds, or 5, and then I need 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, and then I have 0 ones. So now I need to take away 166. So we're going to start with our 1, so I need to take away 6 ones. I have 0 ones, and I need to take away 6 ones, so what do I have to do? Yep, I need to borrow from my tens. So I'm going to take this 10, move it over here. So I have 10 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one no longer exists because we traded it for ones. And now I can take away 6. And I cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll pause the video here so that everyone can get caught up to make sure that your whiteboards look like mine. Okay, alright, so now I had 10 ones. I took away 6 of them, and now I have 4 ones left. Next up, I have 3 tens, and I need to take away 6 tens. So I'm looking at my tens. It says I need to take away 6 of them, but I only have 2, so what do I need to do? Yep, I need to borrow 100. So I'm going to take this 100, slide it over here, turn that 100 into 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 tens plus my other 2 tens, so I have 12 tens altogether, and I need to take away 6 of them. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after I take away 6 tens, I'm going to see how many I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens left. And I'm going to come to my hundreds. I have 4. We'll start with 500s, but then I had to trade 100 for 10 tens. Now I need to take away 1 more 100. I'm going to cross that one off. That one should already been crossed off. And how many hundreds do I have left? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 hundreds left. So my answer should be 364. So now we'll come over to our problem, and we'll do it the vertical way. So I'm going to start with my ones. I have 0 ones. I need to take away 6 ones. I can't do that, so I need to borrow from my tens. So I have 3 tens. I'm going to change that to 2. And I'm going to add 10 ones over here. So I borrowed a 10, traded out the 10 for 10 ones. So I have 10 ones minus 6 ones equals 4, which matches my 4 over here. Now I have 2 tens, take away 6 tens. I can't do that, so I need to borrow from my hundreds. So I'm going to cross off my 5, trade out my 100 for 10 tens, so now I'm left with 4 hundreds. And now instead of 2 tens, I have 2 tens plus 10 tens, which equals 12 tens. So 12 tens minus 6 tens equals 6. Good thing I wrote the right number there. Now I'm going to come to my hundreds, and I have 4 hundredths minus 100 equals 3. So my answer here matches the answer I got on my place value chart. Alright, boys and girls, so make sure you have the answer to number 1 written down. What you'll do now is you'll volunteer to come up to the board to solve the problems on the whiteboard, just like I did on the TV. I do expect everybody to be writing this on their whiteboard, as the student on the whiteboard up at the front of the classroom is solving it. So if you think that you can help the class solve one of these problems, raise your hand. Substitute will call you to come up to the front of the room. And you'll write down the problem on the board, and pretend like you were the teacher, and help the class solve the problem. So don't just do it for them. Ask them questions like, what should I do next? What should I do next? What should I do next? Kind of like I do when we're in class. Alright, so boys and girls, you'll work on this until recess time. If it is not done at recess, that is okay. It will take you a long time, so if you don't finish all the questions by recess time, that's fine. We'll just stop at recess time. And if you finish before recess time, then you have some math facts to work on. Alright, good luck, boys and girls.